Build your own wood lanterns. In this video, I'll show you how. I built 3 different size lanterns in 3 different styles. I'll walk you through the different styles in this video. First, you're going to want to cut your board so you can use either a 1x6 for the small lantern, a 1x8 for the medium, or a 1x10 for the large. Then I took 1x material and ripped it into 3/4 inch widths and then cut them in pieces for the lantern frame. For the first style, I'm going to jigsaw out the corners of the base. So I just marked it to match the 3/4 inch by 3/4 inch wood pieces I ripped and then cut it with a jigsaw. I'm going to use a brad nailer with 1 1/4 inch brad nails to put everything together. Another option is to use hot glue. Notice that I rested the base on a piece of 3/4 inch material to raise it up to give it some feet. After I got the side pieces done, I just went ahead and nailed and glued the top pieces. Okay, so that's the jigsawed in base. I also built one with a second wider base on the bottom. This one I did a little bit different for assembly. I built the entire frame first, and then I attached one of the boards to the bottom and then a second board below that to make the double base. And then the last one is the tiny feet. So you want to be really careful when you're cutting these because those little wood pieces can fly out. And then instead of the second base, I just attached the tiny feet to the bottom. So here's the 3 different options. It's just a matter of your personal preference. I sanded everything with 120 grit sandpaper, and then I used a wood stain applied with a foam brush to give it the color. If you want to build your own, the plans are free and they're linked in the description. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in our next video.